Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban knife style and jungle survival. Today I'm pretty excited because for the very first time, I'm going to swap out the scales of Victorinox Swiss Army Knives for custom scales, and I'll document the process just for you. First, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so to help the channel out. I've got two Victorinox knives over here. These are the 84mm Victorinox waiter knives. Now they're identical except for the scales. These are the classic Celador scales and these are the nylon scales. But it makes no difference because I'm going to take them out and I'm going to put in custom scales. The first pair of scales are titanium, this dark matte finish. And the second pair are solid brass scales, really heavy in that kind of a satin finish. Now I got both these scales from AliExpress and I'll leave links in the description below. Now when choosing the scales, it's very important to look at the descriptions and the reviews, not just the price, because I think the scales are different between manufacturers and the price may reflect that. What I think is important to look for, besides the photographs and the reviews, is to especially look at the photographs for the back of the scales. What you want to make sure it's machined out and cleaned for the pins and the bushings, as well as the tool scales if you have them. And you can see for both of these, we do indeed have that finish. Now there's no guarantee it's going to be a perfect fit, but I have seen others which have a very bad finish or they don't even have any holes. You're expected to use epoxy to glue or adhere the scales to your knives. Now I prefer not to do that, but I'm prepared to do that if needed. But in any case, I think it's always good to try to get, as good as a product as possible, especially when you're buying from a marketplace like AliExpress. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop out the scales from these two knives and I'm going to try to pop these scales back on and see if I need to do anything else. So let's get started. I'm going to start with the nylon scales first and put in the titanium scales, and I'm going to use the can opener tool from this Victorinox climber to do so. So I'll first take out the tools from the scales and I'm going to fit the can opener in and then slowly pop out the scales. So I've popped off the scales and you can see the pins and the bushing. And let's see if it's an easy enough fit to put them back. Let's see if it's a good fit first. Yeah, I can snap it on just like that. This I'll need to press just a bit. Let's try this side over here. Well, that fits in here pretty well. As you can see, it's not snapped in. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to see if I can clamp it together. So let me just use this cloth, kind of cover it here. Let's see if we can press it together. And there we have, snapped in. And that feels pretty solid. Let's put back the scale tools and just see if that works. This one goes in here. Yep, that fits well. And that goes in here. That's pretty good. That's easier than I thought. Now let's see if the brass scales are just as easy. So now I'm going to take out the scales from the Celador waiter, remove the tools first, and then let's see if we can use the same approach with the can opener to take out the scales. Scales are popped off once again, and let's see if we can put the brass scales on easily. Okay, so the brass ones do not fit as well. I mean, you can see it's all nice and flush, but it just falls off. So not machined as well, so I will need to put epoxy for this one. So let's go ahead and do that. So I've got a two-part epoxy here. Let's take part one and just squeeze it out onto this card, and then we'll add the hardener. Just mix it together and we'll apply it evenly and very thinly on the scales. So I've got the scales on and I'm trying to clean off some of the epoxy or excess epoxy. What I do need is to take some alcohol swabs and I'm going to clean up the epoxy that's kind of stained due to my fingers, and also on the edges I did use the card to clean that off. So I think that gets all the excess, so this really just clean up. But what I need to make sure is that the holes for the scales or the tool scales can actually fit the tools in. This is pretty good. I will have to clean up because there's resistance. So what I'll do is I would soak the tools in the alcohol and also kind of just create a passage through to kind of melt any of the epoxy. You can see there is a lot of gunk inside. So I'll have to clean that up and make sure the scale tools can go in and out easily. So the same for the toothpick, you want to put it in and just kind of put it in and out. Make sure it's soaked with alcohol, and then you see a lot of gunk come out, and that's the epoxy. So clean that up, soak it in the alcohol again, and then just repeat. So that looks all cleaned up. Let's wash my hands and we'll get back to both the tools. Here we have the two finished Swiss Army knives, one in titanium, one in brass. I would say from this experience, this was it was a joy to do. I'm not sure if it was a one-off and I was lucky. For the brass with the epoxy, it took some time. I think what really took time was to clean it up and to make sure that the holes for the scale tools are really cleaned up, and that would take you the most time. So be sure to have alcohol swabs handy to really do the cleanup. But now with these tools, I have some variety I can add to my EDC. I could create a brass EDC loadout. So I've got a brass flashlight as well as a Fisher Space Pen, all in brass, and that will go very well with something like this, a leather pouch. So I could put that over here. This goes here, and we have that just like that. That's pretty nice as a loadout. For titanium, I actually already have a titanium loadout, and you might have seen this in a previous video. If not, you can check it out in the link in the card above or the description below. And what I have inside actually is a slot, because originally I had some paracord, but really that was a placeholder, and now this fits in perfectly, and I think I've got a pretty nice titanium EDC loadout. Well, I hope you enjoyed this process of swapping out the scales for the Swiss Army knife. Let me know if you've got experience swapping out scales, if you've been working with titanium, brass, or any other materials. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.